Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to remove object from photo in Canva. So if you watch this video up to the end, I'm going to teach you a fast way on how to remove object from photo in Canva. So the first thing we have to do is launch our Canva application. And as you see, I had already uploaded mine. From here, since we want to remove our background, what we can do is tap on effects, and then we're going to tap on the magic eraser. We're going to tap on the blur option. Then since we don't want to see the background that is here, what we have to do is we are going to tap on add blur, adjust the brush size that we want to use and the intensity. Then we are going to mark the area that has no use or we don't want to use. Then once we are happy with our edit, we can tap on export the video, and from there we want to tap on export option, which is located just here at the above. From there we're going to tap on download. And while this method might not provide the same precision and flexibility as used in advanced photo editing software, it can still help you remove unwanted objects from photos on your phone using the Canva app in a simplified manner. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.